Hello, welcome back to our update. Today's right now we have a marginal risk of severe weather tonight, going into tomorrow, as well as a heavy rainfall threat across portions of Texas the next several days. Let's get right into it. So, looking at the severe weather side right now, we have marginal risk tonight across portions of western Texas, right around this area really, as well, and also for Ohio and Pennsylvania. Main risk will be including damaging winds and large hail. Damaging winds and large hail to be mostly around Texas, the western Texas area, as well as large hail will be the main threat across portions of Ohio and Pennsylvania. Looking at tomorrow, we have another marginal risk across portions of Texas, as well as Oklahoma. Same thing with the Mid-Atlantic as well, and as far north as Long Island, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania. Main threats will be including damaging winds and large hail from both marginal risks. And on day 3, nothing really much is expected. A big area, however, though we could be seeing an upgrade across portions of Texas, but we'll see. Looking at the rainfall in the next 7 days, right now we're seeing a decent amount of rainfall across portions of the Pacific Northwest. However, the main focus throughout the next several days is going to be across portions of Texas as well as Oklahoma, and as far north as Nebraska and also South Dakota. Across portions of Texas, we could be seeing areas that could be exceeding rainfall amounts up to 5 inches of rain, maybe even more. However, though, this is going to be stretched out over a period of several days, really, as on day 3, we're only going to be seeing, again, a couple inches of rain. Day 4 and 5 will be when heaviest rainfall is expected, with rainfall amounts potentially over 1.5 inches, to also 2 inches of rain is possible. It's not in range of the excessive rainfall outlook, though. However, though, there is a marginal risk across portions around the San Antonio area heading to tomorrow. And, yeah, that's really everything for today for the... So right now we're going to move on to the tropics. Right now we still have SAM active, as well as 3 areas of interest. All 3 of them have either a moderate or high chance of developing. The one in the middle, in the open Atlantic right now, associated with Peter, has a 60% chance of developing the next 40 hours, 60% the next 5 days. Looking at, we had a wave coming off the coast of Africa today, has a 50% chance of developing the next 40 hours, 80% the next 5 days. Looking at another, an area of low pressure actually develop right around just pretty in the main development region, and has a 50% chance of developing the next 40 hours, 80% the next 5 days. Looking at SAM right now, SAM expected to, currently with winds around 120 miles per hour, moving northwest at 9 miles per hour, it's expected to maintain a major hurricane status for the next 5 days still. However, though, it's expected to, again, maintain around 100, with winds around 115 to 110 miles per knots, and then weakening down to around 100 by the time it reaches. So, anyways, looking at the Eastern Pacific now. Eastern Pacific, we have an area of moderate tropical wave. It's right now, environmental conditions are expected to be favorable. Has a 0% chance of developing the next 40 hours, 40% the next 5 days. Central Pacific, nothing is expected. And looking at JTWC's outlook, right now we have Typhoon Mindul still, actually. And right now, current winds around 90 knots, expected to re-strengthen to around 110 before weakening, as it's going to be, as, again, some impacts could be affected across portions of along the coast of Japan, with mostly gusty winds and heavy rainfall being the main threats. But yeah, apart from that, that's really it, and goodbye.